Hi guys, how are you? Good? That's good. You having a good time? Happy Halloween. Yeah. So this is a little special. I thought I just wanted to say a quick hi to everyone that's watching. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, wherever it is. Huh. Well. So I really enjoy this this channel, and I want you guys to know that. So, and this is just a quick hi to say, stay out of trouble, kids, and well, don't do anything I wouldn't do. So that's basically everything. You can do anything you want. All right. Well, just wanted to say a quick hi. Now have fun. Oh, back again. So, and I also wanted to say, real quick, even though you're having fun, you should always remember the cars, right? Our cars. There it is. It's on the light. All right. Remember your cars. There's always room for a nice car in your life, right? Yeah. All right. Thanks for your time. And stick around, subscribe, of course, and there will be more content. Yeah, that's true. All right. Have fun.